Hi everyone, my name is Hridhaan and I welcome each one of you with a very big heart on Let's Talk. In today's lesson, we will discuss some of the most basic errors in English language. These, I have done a lot of videos on errors, but I think this is the most basic of all because it includes two forms of words that people make most errors with. Has and have, do and does. People just get confused when they speak in English. He don't speak English or he doesn't speak in English. Which is the correct one? This is what today's lesson is about. But before we start the lesson, I would like to request you to please hit the subscribe button if you like my videos and if you'd like to be notified when they come next. Thank you. Let's get started. Number one is he, she, it, Hridhaan. But hold on. Please do not read the rest of it. Go with me in flow and then you'll be able to understand it better. There are some words that are in one family. He, she, it, Hridhaan are in one family. Because if you see, all of these are single people. I'm talking about he, he's just one boy. She, one girl. It, one particular object or whatever it is. And Hridhaan, which is me, one boy or many boys. Just one boy. So it's all singular. I'm going to write it. Singular. Now, with singular things, anything on this planet, I'm giving you a very basic and easy rule. Anything on this planet that is singular, which means that is only one, we use with those words has and the negative of it, hasn't. Or we use does or doesn't. Let's see that in an example. Number one, he has got a lot of books. What is the negative of this? He hasn't got a lot of books. Has is singular and he is singular. With he, one boy, one thing, we use has, got a lot of books. Negative would be he hasn't got a lot of books. Next one, she has got work tomorrow. This girl, whoever she is, has got work tomorrow morning. That means that she has to go to her office tomorrow morning. She is just one girl or many girls? Just one girl. So we use has with it. Next one is it has broken. Imagine I'm talking about a machine and I say it has broken down. That means it has stopped working. And it is just one machine. It, the machine. Let's say air freshener. It has broken down. It is not working. So air freshener is one machine. When I say air fresheners, air freshener machines, that's when it becomes plural. But now it is singular. So we use has with it. Always. With it, has goes. Hridhaan has got a beautiful smile. Now, it is a bit of a funny one here. I'm not sure what all you'll comment down there. But let's look at it here again. Hridhaan has got a beautiful smile. Hridhaan is one boy or many boys? Hridhaan is just one boy. So we write Hridhaan has. With Hridhaan, who is just one boy, we use has with it. Hridhaan has got a beautiful smile. Next one is he or she does speak politely. As I said to you guys in the beginning of the lesson, with he, she, it, or the name of the person, all are single in one family, we use does. So your name could be Ram or your name could be Rahul. Even if I write Ram or Rahul, I would say Ram or Rahul has a beautiful smile. Or Ram or Rahul does speak good English. Ram does speak good English. Rahul does speak good English. So here, he or she does speak politely. And what is the negative of does? Doesn't. He or she doesn't speak politely. The next one in the list are in one family. And can you guess their family name? It is called plural. On the left hand side, on your left hand side, you see it is singular. On the right-hand side, it is plural. They, we fall in one family name, and it is called plural. For example, they, the word here, they do speak English. They, that means more than one. Let's say my team. Hridhaan is not alone. He has an entire team with him, and that team is referred here as they. So with the plural word they, we use do. They do speak English. What is the negative of this? They don't speak English. With they, we always use the plural form of the verb, and that is they don't speak English, or they do speak English. Next one, we, again talks about possibly a team or a group of people standing together. Together, basically, we do speak English. For example, let's talk about you and I. You speak English, I speak English. But when we come together, you and I becomes we. We speak good English, or at least we try to speak good English every day. Next one is they have got 2 cars. They, singular or plural? Plural. So, they have. As we discussed, with plural, we always use have or the negative of have, which is haven't. They have got 2 cars, or we have got 2 cars. The negative would be haven't. Haven't got 2 cars. This is what today's lesson is entirely about. Let's go through it one last time. If it is singular, anything on this planet that is just one, with that we use either has or the negative, because they are both the same, it is just has or has not, or we use does. So don't confuse he don't speak English or he doesn't speak English. It is he doesn't speak English. When it is about the words in plural family, it could be they, we, or let's say fans. Let's say fans up there. Fans do speak or don't speak. You have to tell me that. Fans does speak or fans don't speak. Which is right? Do we use does with it or do we use do with it? Fans being more than one, we use do with it. So fans do speak or fans don't speak? Fans don't speak. I end today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and found it entirely useful. Have a great day ahead and God bless.